Have you ever wondered what it's like to stand next to the largest animal walking the earth? Meet the African elephant. Intelligent, emotional, and powerful beyond imagination. These gentle giants roam across 37 nations in Africa, shaping the landscapes they live in and touching the hearts of all who encounter them. But behind their calm presence lies a world of deep emotion, complex family bonds, and constant struggle for survival. Today we'll explore the life, behavior, and beauty of these magnificent creatures, and uncover why the elephant is truly nature's masterpiece. African elephants, often affectionately called ellies, inhabit diverse landscapes across Africa, from the vast golden savannas to dense tropical forests and even arid deserts. They thrive where water flows and vegetation grows, as their huge bodies demand tons of food and gallons of water every day. Two species dominate the continent: the savanna elephant, larger with curved tusks, and the forest elephant, smaller and darker, with straighter tusks pointing downward. Most elephants today are found in southern Africa, Botswana, Zimbabwe, and Zambia. But sadly, their numbers are shrinking due to poaching and habitat loss. For elephants, water is life. In the dry season, herds travel great distances to find it, often digging deep riverbeds with their tusks to create watering holes, a perfect symbol of nature's resilience. Elephants are incredibly social creatures, living in tightly knit herds led by a matriarch, usually the oldest and wisest female. Her knowledge of water holes, migration routes, and dangers ensures the herd's survival. When we talk about girl power in the animal kingdom, the elephant herd is the perfect example. A herd can range from just 8 to over 100 members. Females stay together for life, while young males leave when they reach maturity, between 10 and 19 years old, to live either alone or form small bachelor groups. Older males, known as bulls, sometimes go through a period called must, a hormonal surge that makes them highly aggressive and ready to compete for mates. Elephants share deep emotional bonds. Calves rarely leave their mother's side. They learn social behavior, communication, and even survival skills from older members. Being the largest land animal on Earth means having an equally massive appetite. An adult African elephant can eat up to 300 pounds, that's over 130 kilograms, of food every single day. Their diet depends on where they live. In open grasslands, they feed mostly on grasses. In forests, they browse on leaves, bark, and fruits. Their long, muscular trunks, with over 150,000 muscle fibers, are the ultimate tool for feeding, drinking, and even greeting other elephants. Elephants can strip bark from trees, pluck tiny fruits, or uproot grass with astonishing precision. In times of drought, they may dig with their tusks to find hidden roots or underground water, feeding not only themselves but also creating life-sustaining pools for other animals. What makes the African elephant instantly recognizable are its enormous ears, natural air conditioners that help radiate excess heat. Both males and females grow tusks, which are actually elongated incisor teeth that continue to grow throughout their lives. Their thick, wrinkled skin, sometimes over an inch thick, helps retain moisture and provides protection against the harsh African sun and biting insects. And then there's the trunk, perhaps nature's most extraordinary invention. A fusion of the upper lip and nose, the trunk can lift a log, pick up a single peanut, or spray a fountain of water across its back. It's strong enough to lift 300 kilograms, yet gentle enough to hold a newborn calf. Every movement of an elephant, from the sway of its trunk to the flap of its ears, speaks of quiet strength and grace. Elephants have one of the longest pregnancies in the animal kingdom, nearly 22 months. A newborn calf can weigh up to 250 pounds and stays close to its mother for years. Elephants live long lives, often 60 to 70 years, and form memories that last just as long. Females usually bear calves between the ages of 25 and 45, while males must reach their 20s to compete for mating. It's a slow, gentle rhythm of life, one built around family, memory, and continuity. Yet despite their strength, elephants face one of nature's harshest battles: survival against humans. For decades, elephants have been slaughtered for their ivory tusks. Even after the international ivory trade was banned in 1989, poaching continues, driven by black market demand. Habitat destruction from agriculture and expanding human settlements adds to their struggles, leaving less space for these giants to roam. But there is hope. Conservation projects across Africa, from Kenya's Amboseli to Botswana's Okavango, are working tirelessly to protect elephants and restore their natural range. Communities are now learning that living with elephants, not against them, is the key to preserving both people and wildlife. If protected, elephants not only survive, they transform ecosystems. They create waterholes, spread seeds, and shape entire landscapes, proving that they are true engineers of the wild, majestic, intelligent, compassionate. The African elephant is more than just an icon of the wild. It's a mirror reflecting humanity's responsibility to protect life on Earth. As the sun sets over the savannah, a herd moves silently across the golden grass, guided by the wisdom of their matriarch. They remind us that strength is not in force, but in unity, memory, and care. So the next time you think of Africa's wilderness, remember the gentle giants, the keepers of balance, the ancient souls of the land.